In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Metatrader to default settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your platform back to a clean, standard layout so you can troubleshoot visuals, start fresh, or simply remove a cluttered setup. This walkthrough is for the desktop platform and keeps things simple and safe. First, open your Metatrader application on your computer. Give it a moment to load completely, especially if you usually keep several charts, indicators, or market watch lists open. If you're in the middle of something important, consider finishing that task first, because resetting to the default layout will change what you're seeing on screen, including which charts and windows are open. Nothing about your trading account or your installed indicators is removed by doing this, but the workspace itself will shift back to the standard view. Once Metatrader is open, look to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File. This menu is your gateway to managing the platform's core functions, and it includes the feature we need for a clean reset. Opening File ensures you're changing the layout at the platform level rather than trying to individually close charts or manually reconfigure windows one by one. Using the built-in reset is faster, more consistent, and far less error-prone than trying to tidy up everything yourself. After you've opened the File menu, move your mouse to the Profiles option and hover over it. Profiles are Metatrader's way of saving and loading complete workspaces. A profile remembers which charts are open, their symbols and timeframes, and how they're arranged. Think of it like a snapshot of your trading desk. By using profiles, you're not just clearing one chart, you're swapping the entire workspace to a predefined setup. This is why profiles are the ideal tool for resetting the platform's look and feel without touching your login, your data, or any custom indicators you've installed. With the Profiles submenu open, click on Default. This tells Metatrader to load the platform's standard profile. In most cases, you'll see your charts and windows immediately rearrange or refresh. The layout will switch to the typical built-in view, often with a couple of basic charts, default colors, grid lines, and the standard tool windows visible. If the change doesn't fully reflect right away, or if some panes look like they're still holding on to the previous session, go ahead and restart Metatrader. A quick restart ensures the default profile is applied cleanly across the entire interface. A few notes on what to expect after switching to the default profile. Your chart arrangement, the set of open charts, and their timeframes will revert to the standard Metatrader layout. Any temporary changes you had, like specific charts you opened for analysis or a custom arrangement of windows, will be replaced by the default view. Your trading accounts, data history, installed indicators, scripts, and expert advisors remain intact. If you previously attached indicators to your charts, those won't carry over to the new default workspace unless they are part of a template or profile you load later. This reset is about the layout, not your underlying platform files or credentials. If you don't immediately see the interface you expected, give the platform a moment to refresh, especially if you had many charts open. Some machines take a bit longer to redraw all windows, and remember that restart is always a simple way to confirm the change has taken effect. After the reset, you can start fresh by opening new charts, applying your preferred templates, and arranging windows the way you like. That's all there is to it. Open Metatrader, go to File, hover over Profiles, and select Default. It's a quick, reliable way to clear visual clutter, standardize your workspace, and get back to a baseline configuration that's easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your platform clean, organized, and ready for your next trading session.